Hello everyone, and welcome to ōEvent's very first video tutorial. My name is Daniel Ruales, I am the project manager here at ōEvent, and today I'm going to show you how to create an account with ōEvent, as well as what an ōcode is, how to create one, and why it is awesome to have one, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your web browser and open that up on your laptop, desktop, whatever. Then once you've opened that up, go ahead and type in www.oevent.com, and once you've done that, it's going to take you to our homepage here. This homepage has a whole lot going on. I know it has some big pictures with a button and some words, and we got featured events here, some categories. All that isn't really important for this video. We will go over what that is, why they're all here, and kind of their purpose to them in a different video. So if you want to check that out, that'll be up on our YouTube channel as well. But for now, let's go ahead and get started with creating an account, shall we? So first thing we're going to do to create an account is we're going to go up here to our header, and right where it says join now, we're going to go ahead and click that. That's going to pop up this form right here, and it's going to ask for some information from us, okay? First thing we're going to want to do is type in our email. As you can see, I already have one in there. Something that I want to stress really quick about this email is that this is very, very important that is you spell it out correctly. We have gotten a lot of support emails with people saying that they haven't received any emails from us, any confirmation emails, any updates, anything like that. And a lot of the times it's just because accidentally people might leave out a letter in their email, or they might add an extra letter to the email or something of that sort. So just make sure that this email is spelt correctly and everything looks good to you. That way there isn't any miscommunication in the future. After we've typed in our email, now we're going to go ahead and create a password. And this can be absolutely anything you want it to be, as long as it has a minimum of 8 characters. Now that we've created that, we're going to go ahead and type in a first, and last name. Then we're going to go ahead and select our time zone. And once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click join now. Now that we've clicked join now, as you can see, what it does, it refreshes the page and we're back to the home page once again, but it looks a little different. And the reason it looks different, there's this big blue box that says don't have a ōcode, get one. We're going to go ahead, and if you want to read through this, that's awesome. It just kind of explains a quick little snippet of what a ōcode is. But we're going to go ahead and click that button right here that says join free trial and get your ōcode. That's going to pop up this message right here. And this is where you can enter your ōcode. And as you can see, the only real requirement we have is that it's in between 4 and 20 alphanumeric characters. So it doesn't have to be just letters. It can be letters and numbers, or it can be just letters or just numbers. Now, before I create one, I want to stress a couple things about the ōcode. I want to say the ōcode, what it is, it's your personal unique ID, right? So this is going to be the thing that people know you by, the thing that people find you by. This is really similar to like your username on Instagram or Pinterest, or maybe if you have a Twitter, it's really similar to your Twitter handle. It's basically just anything that people will instantly be like, oh, Dan the man? Yeah, I know who that is. That's Daniel Ruales. He's the project manager. Apologies for that. My developer had just sent me some messages there that popped up on my desktop by accident. But let's just get back to this real quick. So like I was saying, an ōcode is just basically anything that people will know you by, right? So just really want to stress that it's not a password, and it's just really, it's something that people will know you instantly off the bat by, and can just easily remember, right? Another thing that I want to really quick say about ōcode is what it does, right? So once I create an ōcode, that ōcode is going to be tied to my account. And what that's going to do is whenever I want to promote an event to friends or to family, I can tell them, hey guys, use my ōcode when you register for the event, and then that way you can be under me. So basically it allows the system to track everyone who's signing up to the certain event under your ōcode, and then that allows you to easily go in and see who registered under you. It allows you to see their name, their email, all that kind of stuff, and it allows you to send out emails and invitations and other different things to those people who have registered under you. So it's a really powerful thing that allows users to do a whole lot of cool stuff with it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and create one. I'm going to show you real quick what happens when you try to create an ōcode that is taken by another user already. So I typed in Dan the Man, go over here and click the check mark, and it pops up in red, your ōcode is already in use. So that's okay. That just means we have to go back and create something else, something totally unique to us. Let's go ahead, and I'm just going to do something totally random there. Perfect. That should work. Oh, too long. See? Still too long. Sorry, guys. Perfect. That should be perfect. Awesome. So as you can see, I created the ōcode. The home page refreshed yet again, and now it says, instead of that big blue box, it says my ōcode, and it shows you the ōcode that you just created right here. Daniel Rollis is the bomb. I think it's a pretty cool ōcode. And one other thing real quick, another place that you guys can find your ōcode is if you go to this drop down menu in the top right, you click my profile. Under the picture here, it'll say ōcode, and it'll have the ōcode that you've created. Another thing that you can notice is up here in the URL, it'll say oevent.com/ and then my ōcode that I just created. That's just an easy way to direct people to your profile. This is, by the way, the profile that you'll have in ōevent, and there's a whole lot of stuff that comes with this that I will explain in a different video. So if you have any questions about your profile, how to set it up, how to get a picture, anything like that, check out that video on our YouTube channel. It'll definitely have some valuable information. But with that, guys, that's how to create a ōcode and how to create an account, and hope you guys enjoyed.